So
Okay.
this is the sheet I've taken. I've just stuck two of these sheets together to form this. So in this paper, to make a bigger heart, I'm going to be taking the measurements of 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter. So I'm just going to mark it with this.
Okay, so now she instead of taking 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter, she's going to take 15 by 15 centimeter, and again she's going to repeat the same process one by one.
Yeah, I'm just.
So if at all anyone has hung up in between, you can catch up now.
I'm just going to cut it up with scissors.
So you can use any kind of foil papers, but take care that you have a stiff paper base for the foil, because if it is going to be the shiny foil alone, when you're creasing it, the crease doesn't stay over. So it's a little difficult to fold and make it stay. So just make use of any paper based foil papers, or you can use any gift wrappers also, thicker ones, anything of your choice.
So now I've cut it. Now we are going to be making the same thing again. I'm going to fold it in half, crease it, and then repeat the same step again like this. So what I've done is opened it up, creased it in half, and then done the same thing again on the other side. Yeah. Now we are going to take this bottom flap over here and crease it to the middle line like this. I've just taken the bottom flap and creased it to the middle line. And now I'm going to repeat the same step on the other flap too. Take the bottom flap and bring it on to the middle one. And open it up again. So now I've got 3 lines with 4 boxes. So now I'm going to be taking the bottom flap, and then I'm going to crease it on the second line like that, and then I'm going to take this bottom flap again and bring it on to the top line here, so that I could make 2 lines in one box. Okay, like that. And now as I've got 4 lines in half of the paper, I'm going to repeat the same step on the other side, so that I get 8 boxes in total. So I've creased the bottom flap like this, and now I'm gonna take this bottom flap to this, which is the second line from the top, like this. So now I've got 7 lines and 8 boxes. So as we are going to be making the heart with this, I'm just going to crease it up again nicely, each and every line like that. So after I've creased it, we are just going to take the bottom flap, and you can take anything from the bottom or the top, and I'm just going to fold one like this. So now I've got the other color over here. So I'm just going to flip it over. This is the part where we folded this flap. I'm just going to flip it over, and then I'm going to take this flap from here and bring it to the third line from the top, which is the middle line. and crease it. So now we have got like a double color, green and silver. So now I've creased it and it's like a house, a upside down house. After you've done this, I'm just going to flip it up over again, and we are going to take the second line as reference and fold it up to the fourth line like this. So I'm just taking the second line and folding it to the fourth line like that. So now I'm going to flip it over again, and as there are two flaps like this, so this is going to make the hearts. So I'm just taking this flap right here, putting my finger inside it, and then just pushing it down over here. So you just need to make sure that this crease right here is parallel to this line. Yeah. So I'm going to repeat the same step in the other flap too. Like that. And now there are two flaps like this. So we don't want them to be like this. So I'm just going to take the top flap again like this and bring it up to the bottom. So what I'm doing is taking the top one like this and bringing it to the bottom and creasing it. Repeat the same step in the other flap and the other side too. And now I've got two triangles with the color with the silver, and the rest is green. So now what I'm going to do is fold the silver flaps like this. I'm just folding the first line to the second line, and then from the second line to the third line, and then from the third line to the fourth one. But before that, I'm just going to put these little flaps inside so that they don't come out like that. I'm just pushing the little flap inside like this. So now we are going to fold the rest of it until I reach this part, the bottom of the triangle. So now I've creased it all over. Here is the heart. So because I've used a two-sided paper, I've got silver heart with this green band. So now as it's a bracelet, it's not enough to fit my hand. So what we are going to be doing is just extending this more. So for extending it, I'm just going to cut some paper. To extend it, I've cut this much in the same paper. So
do you have to take any measurements now, or are you cutting it randomly? How do we know?
Just randomly.
Okay.
So it's not any like measurements, but so we are going to be starting from this. You just need to make sure that it covers your whole hand. Like that. So now as there are two bands over here, I'm going to cut it like this. Yes. So now what I'm going to do is take it right here. So I'm just going to extend this. So start from here. I'm just going to flip it, and I'm going to be applying the glue over here and not on the other side. Let me just open my glue.
Do you want me to help you? Shall I get you another glue?
Yes, please. My glue has dried out.
Okay. Here, use it.
Thank you. So I'm just gonna apply this glue over here. Two lines. And over here. Now I'm just going to fold this flap to the top. Like that. And just do the same thing for this part too. And now repeat the same step on the other side. Let me just put some more glue. Stick it. So now the band has extended like this. So now I'm just going to repeat the same step again in this one too.
Do we need to attach on both sides? Because anyway we are going to overlap one on top of the other, right? So can you just have it on your hand and check?
Yeah, sure. Just a second. So before I put it on my hand, I need to loose it down a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sure it fits.
Yes. Yeah, so
Yeah,
that would
it's
be
perfect.
perfect, right?
Yes. Now I'm just gonna use some more tape to stick it. I'm finding my tapes. So as I did this ring and bracelet, we can also do it for the ring, for the earrings and the pendant. So I'm just gonna cut some tape, stick it on this flap, because that is the one we are going to be overlapping with.
So for the earrings, we can go in for a much smaller size. For
Yeah.
example, you can take 8 by 8 centimeters.
Yeah, 8 by 8. And you can just put this flap, you can cut it till here, crease it inside and stick some tape or glue.
So you don't need a flap at the back for the
No.
earrings
Yeah,
and the pendant.
we don't need it. And you can use the stud buds like this. So use some glue to stick this on your earrings like this, and you can use it as a earring. So now this is the bracelet and the ring. So the same way you can make your earrings and your pendant. Hope you guys enjoy this heart jewelry. Thank you.